Machines and Engineering Company, one of the preeminent manufacturers, suppliers and exporters of concrete block making machine, vibrator sand screening machines, manual block making machine, hydraulic block making machine, vibratory plate compactors and paving block making machines. Innovation and technological changes are the essence of survival. Developing and refining of new process and methodologies is an integral part of our overall business. We continually invest in advanced training to promote knowledge in the area of technical development, research and production, and creating conditions for innovations. The right combination of our personnel, machines, and total system capacity for product development has been the mainstay of our company's progress. We lay emphasis on the quality of our products for the satisfaction of our clients, our prime concern. The overwhelming response of our clients all over the globe has encouraged us to elevate our standard of excellence. We export our products to countries like USA, West Indies, Oman, UAE, Maldives, South Africa, Sri Lanka and Vietnam.